guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today we're going to be talking about our upgraded LSA Belt Drive system. So this is a heavy-duty belt drive system for LSA Supercharger setups. A lot of guys will put these on various LS engines, and you need to source a drive belt system for your supercharger. In our kit, it includes the billet aluminum brackets, a heavy-duty tensioner off a Cummins engine, and upgraded, oversized upper and lower idler pulleys. This one is 110 millimeter and this one is 76. The advantages of having larger pulleys on your LSA drive system is to create more belt wrap around your supercharger pulley as well as the crank pulley. So these allow for greater belt wrap and less belt slippage. Another advantage to our kit is that it includes this heavy-duty tensioner, which provides more tension on the drive system so that you're reducing that belt slippage. To find out more about this LSA drive belt system, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.